Welcome to the Green Existing Schools web training series hosted by the Center for Green Schools. This module will help you begin planning an energy management program for your school or school district. School districts spend billions of dollars to run their buildings every year, money that could be put towards textbooks, computers, or teacher salaries. Approximately 30% of all energy consumed in schools is wasted and could be saved if the buildings were operated more efficiently. We will talk today about how an energy management plan can help your school or district lower the energy waste and improve the performance of your buildings. A comprehensive energy management plan benchmarks the energy efficiency of buildings on campus, outlines clear and measurable energy performance goals, and identifies and implements strategies to meet those goals. An evaluation plan is included to continually seek opportunities for improvement. Taking the time to talk with stakeholders, convening the right team, and establishing baseline metrics is key to a successful plan. One of your first steps might be to designate an energy director and assemble an energy team composed of representatives from various operational areas. The energy team should prepare to conduct assessments in-house or contract with qualified energy and commissioning engineers who can help with energy assessments and audits. Sometimes local utility or governmental agencies will provide financial support to schools undergoing energy assessments. For a list of questions to include in your energy assessments, see the Energy Management Companion Guide. An important part of an energy assessment includes evaluating a school's current and past energy usage to find ways to implement cost-saving measures. Consider free tools such as Energy Star Portfolio Manager to track and assess your school's energy consumption in a secure online environment. If your school chooses to conduct extensive audits, consider using ASHRAE Level 1, 2, or 3 audits. See the Energy Management Companion Guide for more information on ASHRAE. In the pre-planning phase, decide if your plan will include the commissioning process. Commissioning is a high-quality assurance process for achieving, verifying, and documenting that a facility's systems perform as designed. One of the energy team's initial steps should be to research and understand available financing options. Consider PACE bonds, revolving green funds, energy service performance contracts, tax incentives, rebates, power purchase agreements, equipment finance agreements, and grants. These options and more are outlined in detail in the Energy Management Companion Guide. Once your approach has been identified, the next steps are to develop the energy program. Once your team has reviewed the data from the energy assessments and has a good picture of how energy is used in each building, the next step is to develop goals and an implementation plan for making improvements. Research best practices from other schools to help inform the goals and outcomes, and consider starting small by piloting your program in a select number of schools. What are the most important goals for your program? Is it cost savings, improving lifespan of equipment, changing occupant behavior? Your program's goals should be tied to specific energy efficiency strategies the school or district will implement. With goals in place for reducing energy usage and energy spend, the team should develop a detailed plan of action for each strategy, including ways to measure progress and communicate success. Before expanding the pilot, evaluate how things went by analyzing data collected and holding stakeholder interviews. Once any needed improvements are made, you are ready to officially implement the program. When moving to broadly implement the energy management program, solicit feedback from a larger group of leaders and stakeholders at your district. Determine which operational standards or energy strategies will be implemented and develop a process to measure the effectiveness of each. When considering energy strategies for your schools, the options can be overwhelming. Work with your team to determine priority opportunities and next steps required to upgrade systems to the desired energy efficiency level by reviewing results of technical assessments and audits. Prepare a financial analysis for each upgrade and develop a procedure to solicit and incorporate feedback from stakeholders. Training is critical for school engineers and facilities management to keep them updated on the strategies and technologies deployed. Other communication initiatives should be developed for administration, staff, faculty, and students on the school's new energy performance goals, and it should outline each group's role in achieving those goals. Encourage participation by building occupants by offering incentives for meeting energy efficiency goals. Consider pledging a percentage of measured energy savings back to the school that achieved those savings. And lastly, provide recognition to those involved in the pilot and the larger scale implementation. Celebrate when you meet your goals and highlight success stories through your communications department and local media. Now that you have an outline to help you develop a good energy management program, the next step is to gather more in-depth information, including sample policies, practices, and plans. You might also seek support from colleagues who have implemented similar programs in their schools or districts. For additional guidance, you can refer to the Energy Management Companion Guide that provides more details on the content covered in this training and includes references to useful websites and publications. Additionally, the Tools for Green Schools planning module of this training series offers an overview on Energy Star Portfolio Manager, and it's a good complement to this energy management introduction. You can see centerforgreenschools.org/resources for additional publications on green school topics. The Center for Green Schools at USGBC has also assembled a network to help answer any questions you might have while acting on the information you've learned today. Please send questions to the email address shown here, and we'll connect you with peers who can assist you in finding the answers. Thank you for listening today, and best of luck with your Green School program.